Thank you so much for joining me today in Bloom's Kitchen. We are going to be doing a food video. I'm going to be showing you a very simple yet delicious red velvet bundt cake. I'm going to be using this bundt cake pan I got off of Amazon, and I'll leave a link of that in my description box. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be right back and we'll go through the ingredients very quickly. So for our red velvet bundt cake, we are going to use 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of food coloring. For this one, I'm using the ProGel. So I got this off of Amazon, and I can leave a link of that in my description box as well. You can use the liquid food coloring from the superstore or Walmart, but I find your cake is a lot more brown on the outside and only red on the inside. So if you really want it to be really red, use the ProGel food coloring. And here I have 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 cup canola oil, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of buttermilk. If you do not have buttermilk, you can use 1 cup of regular milk. Just add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and let it sit for 5 minutes, and that way you have your buttermilk. Here I have 1/4 cup cornstarch powder or cornstarch, 1/2 cup of butter, and then you need a little bit more to grease your pan. You're going to have to grease it really well. 2 teaspoons of vinegar. So if you are going to use 1 teaspoon of vinegar in your milk, you're still going to use these 2 teaspoons here, so it will be 3. And here I have 2 cups and 1/4 of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of sugar. If you want your cake to be a lot more sweeter, you can use 2 cups of sugar. And here I have 2 eggs. You want to make sure your eggs and your butter is at room temperature. This will make your cake to be really creamy. And like I said, I'm going to be using the bundt pan I got off of Amazon. So this is not a sponsored review, but the pan is really good. So that is the pan. So it's really good, and it creates, you see the ridges there. So we're going to start right away by combining the dry ingredients first. So now to the all-purpose flour, I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of pure cocoa powder. So that is unsweetened. I'm going to add my 1/4 cup cornstarch. So this will help your cake to be really soft and moist. And then I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon each of salt and baking soda. So we are going to whisk all that together, and then we'll set it aside and go over to the mixer. ready. So we have baked at 350 for 50 minutes. You want to make sure your knife comes out clean. Okay. And now for the moment of truth. Let's see if this will be easy out of this pan. I greased it a lot. So I'm just going to put this on top. And turn. The pan is very hot. Voila. Okay. That is really, really gorgeous. You see, the pan makes it really beautiful. Okay. And the red food coloring worked a lot. So I used almost 2 tubes of this. So if you use a liquid one, the outside will be more brown. So if you want it to be red like this, then you use 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of red food coloring. So I'm going to cut into the cake so you can see what it looks like. I will just go in between 2 of the ridges here. This is so beautiful. Look at that gorgeous color. It's so moist, smells amazing. So give it a try. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know how it goes. And until next time when I bring you another exciting recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.